Hi guys, you are welcome to Jibril Enterprise. In today's video, I'm going to share with you on how Voacanga Africana root bark powder and Voacanga Africana seeds are consumed and its effectiveness. Voacanga Africana is a small and fast-growing tree native to tropical Africa, belonging to the family Apocynaceae that grows to about 6 meters height. Voacanga Africana is traditionally used to treat countless of diseases, including malaria, worm infestation, ulcer, and many more. The demand of Voacanga Africana products, more especially their seeds and root bark, are held in high esteem in the international market. The root bark contains an alkaloid, a natural source of ibogaine, which has hallucinogenic compounds in them. Their seeds also contains an alkaloid known as tabasonin, which has a cytotoxic activity. It has a role as anti-neoplastic agent. This means it has the ability to block growth that may become cancer and serves as anti-cancer product. Even though there is a claim of no cure for drug addiction, alcohol addiction, or anything addicted to, but Voacanga Africana root bark powder gives this a challenge to help you overcome these addictions naturally due to its ibogaine alkaloid. Voacanga Africana root bark powder can also help you to overcome anxiety, depression, and stress. One way to consume Voacanga Africana root bark powder is by capsules. This is done by carefully filling the powder in an empty capsule as shown. Using the capsules will help you dodge its terrible taste and bitterness. For effect on addictions, anxiety, depression, and stress, kindly take 2 capsules of the Voacanga root bark powder first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before breakfast. After an hour, you will start to experience root flavor permeating through your body. After some few hours, depending your body reaction, you will start to feel very focused and feeling happier. This effect helps you to calm any sensation attack and makes you sense of well-being. Addiction always tends to become bad medication in human if cure is not found. I call it bad medication because it makes you feel incomplete whenever what you are addicted to is not taken. But recurring intake of Voacanga root bark capsule every morning will naturally help you to overcome whatever addiction you are facing due to its effect on your sense of well-being. Please, taking Voacanga root bark powder at night is not advisable because it may keep you focused and awake depending your body reaction to this product. Jibril Enterprise is one of the reliable suppliers of Voacanga root bark powder into the international market. We supply worldwide in any quantity you may request. Our Voacanga root bark powder are well packaged in hygienic commercial packaging bags and well sealed to help maintain its potency and quality. Voacanga seeds and Voacanga seeds powder can be used as home remedy to fight against cancer growth and general well-being of the family. Our Voacanga seeds and Voacanga seeds powder are well packed and of good quality because they are well preserved and very dry. Voacanga seeds powder can be taken daily as tea by adding 5 to 10 grams of Voacanga seeds powder in 50 to 100 ml of hot or warm water. Please note, the powder tastes very pleasant and flavored just like peanuts and very easy to consume. Taking this product daily will enhance your general well-being and will help to fight against abnormal cell growth and several diseases that may develop into severity. Please, your general well-being is our priority. Order your own now as your home protector. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly follow us on this channel for our subsequent videos. Bye bye for now.